So we have created in France an association who aims to create commons in the field of mobility. We mean open source assets that can be used by all the different stakeholders in the field of mobility. So it's useful for city, for industry, for labs, and for school, for education. So these assets are open source. It can be a software, it can be hardware, it can be data or knowledge. And because it's open source, then it's easy for all the stakeholders to use it, because that will be useful directly for them. And by using it, it's a way to connect the stakeholders each other, and then they learn how to collaborate through this open resource. In fact, we are using this model in different community of interest. For example, ride-sharing ecosystem. These ecosystem identify resources they need and that they want to be done in open source. So we are producing, for example, a system that certifies 2 people are made a ride-sharing, and then that will allow city or company for their salary to give incentive because we have a certification of ride-sharing. And this software will be done in open source, and then it can be used elsewhere. For example, we are discussing to use it in Quebec, and it can be used also in Italy, for example, if the different stakeholders are interested. In France, in fact, we have a European directive that imposes that all the different European countries, the city have to share the data and create a national access point. So in France, there is a body linked to the government that are working to help all the city to produce open data for transportation. And I think Italy is doing or will do the same to have this national access point.